Hello, and this will show you how to change the color theme in Google Chrome browser. So it's a very easy process. Firstly, just simply open your Google Chrome browser. Then what you have to do is just click on Customize Colors right over here. And then over here, you can choose any type of color you want. You can even choose a theme. So you can use the dark theme or the light theme. It's totally up to you. For the colors, you can choose from available colors over here, as you can see. You can even make your custom color by choosing this color picker right over here and just simply use this color bar over here to pick whatever color you want and then just simply log that in, as you can see right over here. You can even change the theme of Google Chrome entirely as well. So for you to do that, all you have to do is just simply click on Change Theme at the very top, and then a lot of themes will be available right over here. Now you can go with the default theme, which is currently on. You can go with a solid color and you can choose any type of color, as you can see, or you can upload your own desired image and you can put it right over here. Or you can also go with the default images that are provided in Google Chrome itself, as you can see right over here. So if you're going to pick a theme from Google Chrome itself, as you can see, there are many categories that you can go for. For example, landscape, earth, textures, life, and a lot more. And each type of category will have a lot of options, as you can see right over here. Now you'll also have an option called Refresh Daily. Now what this will do is it will change your background every single day, and all the images that will be in your background will be from the same category that you picked from. So for example, if I pick the theme from this category and if I enable this Refresh Daily option, the theme will change and the theme will only be from this particular category, as you can see right over here. That's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.